Hello, space enthusiasts. Today, we will tell you about an event that will create great excitement in the world of space exploration and will go down in scientific history. The European Space Agency's ESA JUICE spacecraft is on its way to Jupiter with a special maneuver around the Earth and the Moon. In this video, we will go into all the details of JUICE's fascinating journey, learn all about this unique mission, and be a part of this historic moment pushing the boundaries of space exploration. If you're ready, here we go. JUICE, the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, was launched last year in April 2023. The spacecraft is designed to investigate the potential for the deep oceans of Jupiter's three large icy moons, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa, to harbor life. Searching for signs of life on these mysterious moons of the solar system is an important step not only in the exploration of Jupiter's moons, but also in the search for answers to the question of whether we are alone in the universe. Currently, JUICE is located about 10 million kilometers from Earth. However, the big maneuver it will perform next month will make a name for itself in the world of science and will have an important place in the history of space exploration. On August 19th, 20, JUICE will perform a special gravity assist maneuver, passing around the Earth and the Moon. This maneuver will increase the vehicle's speed and help it save fuel. Although gravity assist is a technique frequently used in space travel, JUICE's special maneuver will go down in space history as the first double gravity assist maneuver. While passing just 750 kilometers above the Moon's surface, JUICE will use this opportunity to take many photos and conduct various scientific experiments. This massive maneuver requires years of meticulous calculations and engineering. "We are aiming for a mouse hole," says Arnaud Boutonnet, ESA's head of mission analysis. This means a very precise calculation. A small error could be magnified by Earth's gravity and cause the spacecraft to enter our atmosphere and burn up. To minimize such risks, the team aims to successfully complete this challenging maneuver by continuously monitoring JUICE's trajectory and making corrections if necessary. ESA's Space Operations Center in Darmstadt, Germany, began preparations for this complex maneuver weeks in advance. All these efforts are to ensure that the spacecraft reaches its destination safely. As JUICE passes around the Earth and the Moon, some amateur skywatchers may have the chance to capture this historic moment with telescopes or powerful binoculars. Sky enthusiasts, especially in Southeast Asia, have a chance to see JUICE as it passes by. When JUICE is closest to Earth, it may be possible to see this unique spacecraft in the sky. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for amateur astronomers. If you have a telescope or powerful binoculars, keep your eyes open for this special moment. After JUICE's maneuver, the craft will head to Venus for a while, where it will receive another gravity assist. This will be an important step to increase the spacecraft's speed and save fuel. In 2025, after passing through Venus and receiving another gravity assist, JUICE will return to Earth. In 2026 and 2029, after passing by Earth twice more, it will finally reach Jupiter. JUICE will pass by Earth a total of 4 times in this process, each time receiving gravity assist to increase its speed. Once it reaches Jupiter, JUICE's main mission will begin. The fact that the vehicle will orbit around the planet's icy moons with the help of 35 gravity will provide a great advantage in terms of scientific discoveries. JUICE's orbit will be as complex as a plate of spaghetti, allowing the craft to constantly change its speed and direction. This will allow it to study Jupiter's moons in detail. Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa may have large oceans beneath their ice-covered surfaces that could potentially harbor life. JUICE's study of the surface of these moons and the oceans beneath them could provide important clues to the existence of life in the universe. The first satellite JUICE will study will be Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. This giant moon is also notable for being the only one with a magnetic field. This magnetic field could mean that Ganymede has an active dynamo at its core. By studying Ganymede's magnetic field, surface features, and the ocean beneath it, JUICE will help us learn more about this moon. Another target of JUICE will be Callisto. Callisto is one of the most cratered moons in the solar system. These craters show that Callisto's surface is very old and has not been geologically active for a long time. However, there may be a large ocean beneath Callisto's surface, and this ocean may have the potential to harbor life. JUICE will study Callisto's surface and the ocean beneath it, allowing us to learn more about this satellite. One of JUICE's most exciting targets will be Europa. Europa's surface is covered by a thick layer of ice, and beneath this ice layer may be a large ocean. This ocean could contain more water than Earth's oceans, making Europa the most suitable moon with the potential to harbor life. By studying Europa's surface and the ocean beneath it, JUICE will allow us to learn more about this moon. In particular, the cracks and geysers on Europa's icy surface suggest that this ocean could be close to the surface and perhaps hold traces of life. The advanced scientific instruments on board JUICE are designed to study Jupiter's moons. These instruments include high-resolution cameras, spectrometers, radars, and magnetometers. With these instruments, JUICE will be able to study the moon's surface features, magnetic fields, atmospheres, and subsurface structure in detail. JUICE will also study Jupiter's magnetosphere and its effects on the satellites. This research will help us understand how Jupiter's moons form and evolve. Jupiter's magnetosphere is one of the largest magnetic fields in the solar system, protecting the planet's moons from the solar wind. However, this magnetosphere also has strong radiation belts, and this radiation can affect the surfaces of the moons. By studying Jupiter's magnetosphere and its effects on satellites, JUICE will investigate how this radiation affects the surfaces of satellites and how harmful this radiation can be to life. In addition to JUICE, NASA's Europa Clipper mission will focus on Jupiter's moon Europa. Europa Clipper, a spacecraft scheduled for launch in 2024, will study Europa's surface and the ocean beneath it in detail. JUICE and Europa Clipper will work with different instruments and methods, but the two missions will complement each other with the data they collect about Jupiter's moons. These two missions will provide the scientific community with unparalleled knowledge about Jupiter's moons and provide important information about their potential to harbor life. What do you think about this big and exciting mission? How important do you think such maneuvers in space are for scientific discoveries? What surprises do you think JUICE will bring us on Jupiter? Don't forget to share your comments and questions with us. Also, how important do you think such discoveries are for humanity? Can you imagine what we could discover in deep space? If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for the latest developments in the world of science and space. See you on a space journey full of new discoveries. Thank you for joining us on this unique journey. Together with you, this journey of discovery into deep space will be even more exciting.